Welcome to another graphics tutorial. Today, I'll be teaching you how to correct your assumed coordinates to true coordinates for your survey returns verification. So say, for example, we have a project. Let's go to Project Manager and let's search our project. 1488, click Find and locate our project. Okay. Now your parcels will be saved as project if after you've done your computation, you click this Save Project button. If not, then use the left sidebar and manually search the parcels belonging to your project. As you can see in our project, you have the traverse. So we might want to disable the traverse so either we can hide it or we can just remove it since we will not be using it. So what you want to do is open the lot data computation for the mother lot. So if you see, this is the data for the mother lot. Let us display the computation with the true coordinates. Okay, so side by side. We have the data for the mother lot and the true coordinates from the regional office. So what you want to do is you want to correct to the true coordinates. When correcting for the coordinates, click on the latitude or departure cell. Pressing up and down will change the value of the latitude or departure, and the northings and eastings observed will also be corrected. When you press down, your northings observed also changes 1 centimeter. And if you're going to departure, press down 2 times, it also changes. Notice that the change applies to all corners after the line you have changed. If you are using 2 decimal places, your up and down values will be deducting or adding 0.01 or 1 centimeter. If you're using decimal points and then it's 3 decimal places, your up and down will be 1 millimeter. So let's continue to check for differences. Okay, so after you're done checking on the northings and eastings values, let us then check the bearings and the distances. Now take note if there are changes in the bearings and the distances on the true coordinates, and you made changes on column 6, make sure to click on bearings to azimuth to update your azimuth. Because if you don't, the bearings will be again overridden by the azimuth that you have encoded when you encoded the mother lot computation. So once we are satisfied and everything has been corrected, let's close the file and then go to S or Manage. We use Validate, not Finalize, but Validate. So once we click Validate, there's a very big chance that the areas of the sublots may change. Sometimes it does not, sometimes it changes. So if in case there are changes in area or the area check will not be equal to 0, then you have to fix the computation at the drawing outside in the main window and then finalize again before you export to DLSD. If there are no change in the areas here enumerated after the correction, then there's no need to finalize and fix anything else after validation. Proceed to DLSD. So since there is no change, the area your check is 0, export to DLSD. Let's open our DLSD file. So open the downloaded file, then do the 6 steps validation process. So once you're done, input the survey information again. Click Save, click Close now. In the event that there is a difference in the area you have to adjust using the adjust corners, and pick an interior lot so that you can manipulate the corner up, down, left, right to get the exact area that you want to get. Then once you're done, you have to finalize again. Go to SR Manager, finalize again the computation. Before you generate the DLSD, there was a change on the sublots, so make sure to finalize first before DLSD. If there are no changes in the area after you validate, you can go directly to DLSD. You can print your lot data computation by clicking Lot Data Computation here. Now, these computations are now in the updated coordinate system. Thank you.